Which item is used to strain liquids? Options are A. Colander, B. Tray, C. Plate, D. Jar. The correct answer is colander. What tool is used to measure ingredients? Options are A. Measuring cup, B. Frying pan, C. Serving bowl, D. Cutting board. The correct answer is measuring cup. What is a flat surface for cutting food called? Options are A. Cutting board, B. Stove top, C. Kitchen shelf, D. Sink area. The correct answer is cutting board. Which item is used to flip food while cooking? Options are A. Spatula, B. Knife, C. Grater, D. Lid. The correct answer is spatula. What appliance is used to blend food? Options are A. Blender, B. Oven, C. Toaster, D. Mixer. The correct answer is blender. What is a deep pot mainly used for? Options are A. Boiling food, B. Cutting food, C. Storing dishes, D. Serving drinks. The correct answer is boiling food. What tool is used to grate vegetables? Options are A. Grater, B. Peeler, C. Spoon, D. Fork. The correct answer is grater. What does preheat mean? Options are A. Heat before cooking, B. Cool after cooking, C. Mix ingredients, D. Clean equipment. The correct answer is heat before cooking. What is used to store leftover food? Options are A. Container, B. Plate, C. Tray, D. Pan. The correct answer is container. What does simmer mean? Options are A. Cook gently at low heat, B. Fry at high heat, C. Bake without heat, D. Freeze food. The correct answer is cook gently at low heat.